This is Cyndy G. In this video, we are assembling the Gingerbread card. So I've got all the different pieces laid out here. And I am going to start by flipping it over. I'm going to fold, this is the base. So this card is an A2. I'm going to fold this on the score lines so that I can see what I'm doing here. Whoops, that was do not need. Okay, so this is an A2 card. This side here is the front. This is the back. This is the outside. When we flip it over, then we'll have the inside, obviously. Okay. This is the front. I can't remember, whoops, if I want my wheel. Okay, I think I want my wheel to go over this panel here that's on the front. So I'm going to reset here for a second. Put this on first. I've introduced some new elements to this, so I just needed to take a quick look. I'm just gonna center this in here. Looks good. Now let's reglue this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm just going to put the line of glue here. And just glue this straight across. There we are. Now, and I'm going to pop it up with some foam tape. Now you line this up to the top and to the right. And then when you glue it on, I like to stand the card up so that I know I've got it straight. I like to put this leg here just to the edge of this leg. So you can see we're just going to use a little bit of glue, like on half, and this leg. And again, I'm going to stand it up so that I make sure that I have it on straight. Okay, goes just like that. Then this panel is for the back, and this is for writing your message on and signing it. It's not a whole lot of space. You could cut another umbrella top and add another spot up there if you wanted. Cut it in white. Okay, and now we're going to flip it over. I'm going to go ahead and do the insert. We're just going to layer these 3 pieces. You got some nice hot cocoa to go with your gingerbread. Okay, so that insert is done. And we can put together. Now, when I originally did this, I had circles behind the little sprinkles so that it was multicolored, and that was just too much. The size is too small, and so you just have one colored sprinkle. If you wanted to add some circles to put behind there so that you could do it in multicolors, it was really cute that way, but the circles were too small. And I do try to keep things not too complicated to put together. It doesn't always work. Sometimes I still wind up with some small pieces, but I try not to. And this just goes right to the bottom edge, just to add a little more cuteness. And I am going to pop this piece up. Okay. Make sure that you have flipped your card over and that you're putting this on the inside of your card. And then the next thing to do will be the pole. And I'm just going to glue these two pieces together and then glue it on. And now our little gingerbread men. You just want to center this on the frosting. And add his bow. Do the same for the other one. And see. I think I do want to pop these up. Oh, good, it fits. Just line those right up. Very good. Okay, now we are going to put in our insert. So I've already folded that on the score lines, and you're going to put glue on the tab. Lay it down in the back. Fold it shut. You've got to be mindful of your foam tape, so make sure that it is lining up across the bottom. I'm going to put glue on the second tab. And here's our side over here. Glue that on. Put glue on this tab, and I'm going to go ahead and close it. Fold it both ways to train your paper. And there it is. There is the gingerbread cart box card. Thank you for joining me.